So it's the first day of university this week. I have a day 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. non-stop. I'm just wearing a misguided Barbie top, Zara pants and NMDs. I'll only show you today what I normally take for lunch because no point in repeating it. I love taking a bunch of different assortment of fruits because they're really easy to snack on in these little tiny containers. The gym routine. Can you tell I'm sweating? I'm like so red. And I'm keeping my Barbie theme. This is Barbie gym shirt. It's 2 o'clock and it's time for my next round of PBL. So PBL goes from 2 to 4 p.m. Then I have a lecture. So are we saying that we have right-sided problems, pathology, but we have left ventricular hypertrophy? Yes? Okay, well I think we should just move on because you'll learn more about ECGs. There's no point in just guessing.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so let's talk about the balloon angioplasty. So we know that that's when we like stick a thing inside the coronary vessel, blow it up, and then get rid of the occlusion. Oh, you're actually filming. Anyone know where? We are in the lecture right now.
Guys. I would have brought my food.
I have snacks. You can have some of my snacks. Okay, well, you'll see more of her in the week. Yeah. I'm gonna go and meet my friend Jacob. My university put out a free preview screening of a movie. The movie starts at 7 and so I'll be back home by 9. I have so much work to do. I literally sat in that case wrap up to the first PBL and I was just so stressed because I did so much work in the previous week, but I still felt like there were so many gaps that I didn't know. And it started to rain now, so I'm gonna hop in the car. I said that I conquered my sugar addiction, right? But this is the one time I'm having Max Brenners. It's the second time in 6 months, so don't judge me. But I just wanted to be honest. Peace. And this is Jacob. He works at Apple.
How are you going? Hello. Also very good.
We just finished the movie and I cried. I cried a lot. He cried too though.
It's a very sad movie.
He cried
Don't judge
too.
me. I'm allowed to cry.
Yeah, he's still teary. Look at those red eyes. Oh. And then we need the door open that way. So cute. So I just got home and my sister told me she made me dinner. She made the entire family dinner. So there's vegetables and chicken, so I'm gonna have that. And I'm feeling pretty awake, so either I'm gonna watch a TV show that I need to catch up from tonight, or I'm gonna study. And I think I'm gonna study because I'm already really behind and I'm getting stressed. So I don't know how it happened, but it is midnight now. I went to talk to my mum and my sister, and then it ended up just lasting for 3 hours. So I haven't been able to get any study done tonight. I haven't even opened my laptop to charge it, so I'm pretty bummed about that, but I'm glad I got to spend time with my fam. I am gonna go and do my nighttime routine, then I'm gonna hop into bed. I'm gonna edit all the footage from today. That'll take me around an hour, so that'll be till 1 o'clock. So it is day 2. It is currently 7:45. I'm about to leave for my 8 a.m. lecture. I'm wearing this netted top, a white turtleneck underneath, and then I'm wearing these striped red pants from Misguided, Guess shoes, and to match the gold, I've got little gold hoop earrings on. It's a pretty big day, but I ended up waking up at 7:15 because, yes, sleep is just one thing that I'm not willing to compromise on.
Hi Dania's viewers.
This is Sash.
You must be blessed to have her on your channel.
On their channel. I love that.
Yeah.
We're in the front row because we're good little girls and we're going to study really hard. So I just finished one of my lectures this morning. It was about the pathophysiology of atherosclerosis, thrombus, embolism and infarction. We didn't get to the infarction part because we have a tutorial on it right now, and then another lecture is on the pathology of infarction. So I'm just about to go inside that right now, and then I'm going to run home. Is that yellow? Oh, it's the shoulder pad. And then I'm going to run home and eat breakfast because my mum made eggs. So I have like half an hour break, so I'll run home. Hopefully that'll only take a little bit, like 10 minutes, and then I'll come back. I'm drinking a full glass of milk before I go back because that's good calcium for the day and I love my milk. Alrighty, so I have just finished my workout. This guy forced me to do so much. I worked out like all of upper body. I did chest, like bench press, I did abs because I went to the physio and they said that my abs are really weak and I have no like frontal like strength at all. So right now it's 2 o'clock. I have a doctor's appointment right now, but what normally happens is on Tuesdays, all the students have history taking skills. Actors basically come in and they have to memorize a huge checklist of being a patient and having a certain condition that us as students have to be the doctor and try and find that information out. Okay, anyways, long story short, this is Tisha. She is 12, turning 13 next month. Finished doing her English assignment editing on her laptop and we are just about to go send that out, and she's having her lunch there because I made her do the session early today because I'm jam-packed. And now we're going to go and work on, what are we working on? She doesn't know. I'm going to go make her work on some chemistry. We're going to work on the periodic trends and I'm going to make her take her maths book out and we're going to do some maths questions. Alright, we're going to go and get the little doggies. There you go. 2 little dogs. Oh, is he chucking a tanty?
No, he just doesn't like you. Oh, maybe he does a tantrum.
Okay.
Manish.
Okay, well he can chuck a tanty. So I just finished watching the baby cell carcinoma removal.
Notice me!
If you guys want to see more of this little cutie, I'm uploading a vlog soon about Meet Me at Work, and you'll see so much more of this little cutie bum on there, so stay tuned for
He
that
literally
one.
just wants to sit in there.
So we just finished the oh my god, the shadow's on you. We finished our little cram sesh and we both agree that we're gonna that the exam's gonna be horrible.
And we're gonna go to sleep, and
Yes!
if we cry, it's alright because we could just go to sleep.
Yep, that's our plan. So it's like 10 p.m. I just finished talking to my mum and my sister and they're off to bed now. But my sister made dinner again, which was really nice. I'm gonna go have this. I'm gonna study for maybe 2 hours. I ended up going to sleep at around midnight-ish. I spent an hour doing my notes and an hour editing the footage from last night. Then this morning I woke up at 7:30 because of my alarm, and I spent an hour and a half editing the footage. I finally finished that, and now it's 9:20ish. My day starts at 10 and it is the earliest finish for the week. I'm just wearing a misguided orange top. I don't know where these pants are from, but they're just stripy. I'm wearing Balenciagas with orange socks to match the top and gold earrings to match the gold button rings, and I've just put my hair in a top knot because everything's pretty strong, so I don't just want my hair up. And then yeah, I'm just gonna go eat breakfast right now. I've packed my bag and then I'm off for the day. My voice is gone, but I just finished my lectures on pharmacology, so anti-anginal drugs and other coronary drugs, and there was a clinical aspects of acute coronary syndrome that I also did. The pharmaco one was pretty tough. They're always really hard. There's just so much to remember. I'm gonna eat some food right now and have a nap. I'm really tired. I had to wake up with my alarm. I hate waking up with my alarm because I like getting my full cycle. So when I wake up with my alarm, I have to nap. I don't know, I'm a very sleepy person. I'm trying to nap, but I'm so stressed. Like, I just keep thinking about how I haven't read any textbooks. Like, I've read one chapter of one textbook and everybody else has read so much, and I haven't accessed any extra resources, and I've just got so much to catch up on. I have the physical examination tomorrow and I haven't even started the workbook and we're 3 weeks in. Can't even nap when I have the time. I shouldn't have napped because I'm like exhausted now. I had to force myself to get out of bed. So I ended up going into the anatomy lab for 5 minutes, and then I realized because I haven't had a chance to actually study the arteries and veins of the body, it wasn't useful for me to actually study the like real life specimens because I didn't know my anatomy. So unfortunately I left that 5 minutes in and then I went to the workshop instead. That means I finished uni an hour and a half earlier, so I moved to work earlier. So now it's like 3:40. I'm gonna go and do an hours of tutoring. I'm not allowed to record in there, so I won't be able to show you guys this tutoring session. I just finished tutoring, and that means that I just finished my day for the entire week. I mean, getting ahead of myself there. I just finished my day for half the week. So it's Wednesday evening right now. I finished my uni and I finished everything else that I've got to do, and I'm gonna head off home now and work. I'm gonna like study. I have a bunch of notes to do, so I'll be doing them and I'll be editing the end of this video and uploading it as part 1, because if you've reached this long you can see how long it is. For the rest of the week I'm so excited. Tomorrow I'm going to Dr. Scott to shadow his work in the OT. So there's the end of part 1 of Week in the Life of a Med Student. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that bell button to be notified for part 2, and have a lovely day.